Understanding Raised Beds, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, raised beds. This phrase is often used in gardening and agriculture, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Raised beds refers to a method of gardening where the soil is elevated above ground level. This is usually achieved by creating a large box or frame and filling it with soil. These beds are raised compared to the surrounding ground level. The key points here are elevation and containment of the soil. Now, why do gardeners prefer raised beds? There are several reasons. 1. Improved drainage. Raised beds allow for better water drainage. 2. Soil quality control. Gardeners can easily control the quality of the soil. 3. Easier on the back. They are higher off the ground, which makes gardening less strenuous. 4. Pest control. Raised beds can be more easily protected from pests. Interestingly, raised beds can also have a symbolic meaning. In a broader sense, it can symbolize careful nurturing and preparation. Just as gardeners prepare raised beds for better growth, this phrase can be used metaphorically to talk about preparing or nurturing something with great care. I hope this explanation sheds light on the phrase, raised beds, and adds to your English vocabulary. Remember, English is full of such vivid phrases that paint a picture or tell a story. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.